Hello, in this video we're going to be taking a look at upgrading a PowerMac G4 to 512 megabytes. Now, I'm not going to be upgrading this to 1.5 gigabytes today. It's something I want to do in the future, so I'm just really going to say about how to upgrade some RAM in it, and yeah, that's basically what it's going to be. So the first thing you need to do is to disconnect it from any things like USBs, power cords, VGA, ADC or DVI cables, and all that sort of thing. Next thing you've got to do is open up the door. Pretty easy, and yeah, you're now in the G4. You're now in the computer, and we're just going to insert this stick. So it currently has got 256 megabytes in it, and we're going to be upgrading it with another 256 megabyte RAM stick to 512. Now I might have to put the camera down to show you how to do it. I might have to put the camera down a bit. So yeah, basically got to get all lined up with the ports at the bottom. Unfortunately, with this G4 in particular, has got a massive CPU, so heatsink mainly, so it's a little bit harder to do it on camera with one hand. Basically, you just need to push it in like so, and now I'm going to jump cut and turn the computer on and show you it's got 512 megabytes. Now when you open about this Mac, it will now say 512 megabytes of RAM, which is a good thing. And I've backgrounded up system profiler as well, and it says 256 megabytes sticks. And yeah, it kind of does the video, and yeah, this is how to successfully upgrade PowerMac G4's RAM, and see you next video.